Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to reset your Roku TV to factory settings. The first thing you'll want to do is press the Home button on the remote. Then scroll down to Settings. Once there, tap to the right and go all the way down to System. Scroll to the right and then go to Advanced System Settings. Scroll to the right and you will see Factory Reset. Then you will press the code that is given to you. In my case, it is 9905. When I am done inputting those numbers, I'll press OK. This step is critical because once you press Start Factory Reset, there's no going back. So make sure that you absolutely want to factory reset your Roku TV. If you have a change of heart, just press Cancel Factory Reset. But for this video, we want to continue on. So I will press Start Factory Reset. This part takes a few minutes. All you have to do is let the Roku do its thing. You don't need to press anything because it will automatically reset on its own. When you see this screen, you have successfully factory reset your Roku TV. Well, I hope this tip has been helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.